Adding music to Big Cartel websites is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Services like SoundCloud, Bandcamp, and Spotify offer embed codes that allow you to embed playlists or albums directly into your Big Cartel website. This is a simple and effective way to showcase your music without needing technical expertise. Platforms like PowR and Common Ninja offer custom music player apps for Big Cartel. These apps provide more control over the player's appearance and functionality, allowing you to customize the look and feel to match your website's design. Big Cartel allows you to upload audio files directly to your website. This gives you complete control over the music, but requires visitors to download the file before listening. If you're comfortable with code, you can embed an audio player using an HTML5 audio element or a JavaScript library like Plier. This requires more technical knowledge, but offers the most flexibility and customization. Big Cartel offers a native music integration that allows you to upload and sell your music directly through your website. This is a convenient option for artists who want to sell their music directly to fans. Pule is a Big Cartel app that allows you to sell digital products including music. You can link your Pule account to your Big Cartel website and display your music for purchase alongside your other products.